Hi there.
Hello.
Welcome to Tea Time Talks. I am Ayushi.
And I'm Sparsh.
Well, thanks for watching us. We started this channel to really share some interesting topics and also learn from people around us as we go in this journey.
Today and for the next few videos, we are going to bring to you some interesting puzzles. These are meant to test logical thinking, first principles thinking. Puzzles have been a passion of mine since I was a child, and hopefully you will also find these interesting and enjoyable to solve.
So here goes the puzzle. You have 50 integers from 1 to 50. Now you need to arrange them in such a manner that each number is either greater than all the numbers before it or it is smaller than all the numbers before it. Maybe let me give you an example. If we take numbers 1 to 5, one of the ways we can do this is to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where each number is greater than the number before it, or it can be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, where each number is smaller than the number before it. Or it could also be a number like this, where this 3 is greater than the number before it. If we take 1, it is smaller than all the numbers before it. For 4, it is greater than all the numbers coming before it. And 5, of course, it is greater than all the numbers before it. How many ways do you think these numbers can be arranged to form a combination like this for 50 integers?
So from 1 to 50.
So from 1 to 50, yes. You might want to pause the video and think about the puzzle.
Okay, so here goes the solution. Now let's first kind of put the puzzle down in more pictorial way, so we are better able to visualize what's going on. So basically you've got 50 numbers, right, from 1 to 50 lined up like this till the 50th position. Now you need to put the numbers from 1 to 50 in whatever order such that it satisfies the condition that the puzzle lays out. So let's start looking at it critically, starting from this number. So I can put any number over here. I have freedom to do so. I can also put any number here, because this number will be either greater than this number or less than this number, which is allowed as per the rules of the puzzle. But now let's come to this number. So this number, it needs to be either greater than both of these numbers or lesser than both these numbers. Okay, so that's for this number. What about this number? So this number, this needs to be either greater than all of these three numbers or lesser than all of these three numbers. And so on and so forth, right? This number, the fifth one, needs to be greater than all of these four numbers, or it needs to be lesser than all of these four numbers. And if you actually extend this logic till the end, then you will see this number, it needs to be either greater than all of these numbers, all of these 49 numbers, or it needs to be less than all of these 49 numbers. So what does that mean? Essentially, in this set of 50 numbers, this number needs to be either the smallest number or the largest number, meaning this can be either 1 or it can be 50. There is no other option for this number. And that really is the trick to solving this. Let's say we put 1 over here. What does that mean for the number before it? So this number, which is the 49th number, it needs to be either greater than or less than all the 48 numbers before it. So that means if this has taken number 1, then all the numbers that are left are from 2 to 50. So this number can be either 2 or it can be 50. This is if you had put 1 over at the last position, then this can be either 2 or 50. And I think you have guessed that if we, on the other hand, at the end we were to put 50, then the options for this number will be either 1 or 49. So you had two options for this position, the last one. For each of those two options, you've got two options for the second last position. And this logic continues. Whatever number you choose for this position and whatever you've already chosen for the last position, the third last position will also have two options. Every time you have set this and this number will have to be the largest or the smallest from the remaining numbers that are left. And this is what continues through to the end. So you've got two options for the last place. You've got, for each of those two, you've got two options for the second last place. For each of those, you've got two options for the third last, fourth last, so on and so forth. And obviously the very last place, so for the second position you will have two options, and for the first position, whatever number is left, you will have to put that in. And the total number of options that you have will therefore be the product of all of this. Because you have two options for here, two for here, two for here, two for here. I mean, two for every two of these, two for every combination of these. So your answer is 2 raised to the power 49. In fact, in general, if you've got n integers, the answer will be 2 raised to the power n minus 1.
Hope you found this interesting. We'll try to come up with another one next time. Till then, thank you.
Thank you.